Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and it's time for another plan with me. We're using the Happy Planner. We're going to be doing March 18th through the 24th. I hope you guys are ready for a great week. I'm going to be using the Girl with Goals and this sticker pad that has these beautiful black and purple hues. So we're going to get started, and I'm first going to go with my sticker sheet. I'm going to look, I know they have some like washies in here. So I'm going to look for my washies. There we go. Oh, perfect. I'm going to use this really pretty purple right here. And we're going to start off by putting these where they need to go. And this one's going to go in the long. I love this because they have them all sized out perfectly. And look at how perfect they just fit right in there. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to take the shorter one. Of course, I never know which one is the shorter one. I think it's this one here. I believe. We will see. You never know. Perfect. There we go. So we've got those nice and lined up. Then next, I'm going to go with those big stickers in the back and see which one I really like. I love this Believe in Yourself. And that is a clear sticker. So I'm going to take this one off. And I know that I want to put it, I think I'm going to put it on this side this time. I'm going to put it right about here. So I want to get rid of those lines that are there. And last time I showed you, I used a gel pen. And the gel pen works great. But I've also found this correction tape. And so, looking at where roundabout I want it. This is the first time I'm using the correction tape, so I'm hoping it goes very well. But we're about here. I'm thinking. And then, so I got that white, and now I'm going to take some of my lighter pink. Let's see. I've got a petal pink here, or I've got this fresh freesia. And I think I'm going to go with the petal pink. I'm going to color that in. So I'm just using that ink there. Oh yeah, I think this is going to be a nice pretty color. I'm just going to go and put this all around where I'm going to have that sticker. And it's going to color all that area in as well. So as I'm doing that, oh, very pretty. And I think I'm going to take a little bit more of this, and I'm going to put it over here in this area as well. Just to bring that color into both sides. Because I love to do what I do with one side, I do with another, if you know me. So we're going to come back over here. We're going to look at some of these. The most important project you'll ever work on is you. Love that. And I'm going to take on this one as well. And we'll put that right here. So we've got that pink working in there. We've got some nice color, and we've got our little saying there. Ooh, we could put that. I wonder if they have a purple. They do. I'm going to go with the darker purple on this one. And I'm going to put it in between, so that way it gives me additional boxes here, some boxes there, and additional boxes there. So instead of 4 boxes, I get 2, 4, 6 boxes there. And then I'm going to take and use all 3 of these, because you know me, I love to have checklists. I have checklists all over the place. So we'll go ahead and we'll put our checklist right in place here. And I just love that these fit so perfectly. It does all the work for you. You don't even have to think about it. I'll put one here. And then I think I'm going to put one more. Oh, let's put right here. So some great checklists there. This is all different checklists. Those are reflections. Coffee o'clock. You gotta love that. I love this one. Do I want it in white? I think I'll use this one actually. Put this on rather lightly. Because I'm going to go back here to those. Of course, where did they go? There we go. I'm going to add a little bit of color here. We've got some daily goals. So if there's anything you have daily goals for, I often use these for like medication and some items like that. And I usually put those either here on the side or up in a corner where I'm going to see it. I think if we put it there, that'll work pretty going in a diagonal there. I think we're good at this point. Let's see. I like this one. This is work, 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 work. And I'm gonna put that one right down here. Just like that. We're gonna go over here and see if there's anything in this book. Some more daily goals, different colors. Some fun little sayings here. I love this. Believe, achieve, you've got this. Put that one right there. And then I am going to take one of these, and since we are working on work and goals, I'm going to take this long sticker here. And put it right here. Just like that. Do what you love and do a lot of it. We'll fill in that hole right there. And then we're going to put in at least one more. Just because it's hard doesn't mean it's impossible. That might be a good one. And these are some boxes. And yes, I can fill up my Friday because I don't have much to do there. I think what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to use this one. And we'll put it, no, we'll put it right here. And then over here, I'm going to use another one of these. Maybe in, I'm trying to think if I want to go lighter or darker. We're going to go with the light. We're going to go right in the middle. I'm going to put that right here. And then we will go a little bit darker. And overlap those like that. And now I'm looking for those boxes. circle in here too. Perfect. There we go. And then we have a couple of fun little sayings in here. This one says, work hard for your dreams. So I'm going to use that one. And I'm going to put that right up here. But again, I'm going to use that little pen. Just to white out a little spot. It goes right there. Oh, well, that's as crooked as can be. Let me know. I'm using both the, I'm going to actually get this guy here. Let me know if you like the pen look better or the gel pen or the correction tape. So it says work hard for your dreams. And then I think we're going to take one more. And this plans our dreams in the making is just really standing out to me. So I'm going to take that one and I'm going to put it right here with the believe in yourself. And there we go. I am loving this spread. Let me know what you think. I think it gives me plenty of room to write all my plans. This is definitely a spread for someone who does have goals in mind, because look at all of this writing block that you could put in here. So I hope you like this. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up. And thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and we'll be doing more planner spreads each week. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day and I will talk to you later. Bye.